Let's say you want to post a video on your Instagram story, but you find out that the video is too long and you need to trim it. Well, this quick video will show you the simple steps on how you can easily trim the Instagram story video directly in the Instagram app itself. So follow my steps. I have the video opened in my Instagram story editor, but for some reason Instagram doesn't give us an option to trim the story video itself from this page, so we'll have to use a little trick. Let's go back to our main page, swipe to open the camera, and then your job is to select this Reel section. And don't worry, we're not going to upload our video as a reel. We will only be using the Reels editing tools in order to trim our video. So open the photo gallery, select the video which you want to trim, and then click on the little scissors icon. That will open the editing track where we can drag the beginning and the end of our video in order to trim it. Once you're happy with the results, just go back. Scroll through these tools until you see this little arrow icon at the right side. This will download our trimmed video into the photo gallery, and you can then upload it to your story.